Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be solving an interesting equation. So for my equation here, I have the square root of 5 plus 2 to the power of x plus the square root of 5 minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. So how am I going to solve this equation? Well, to start out, the square root of 5 minus 2, which is what we have here, is the same thing as the square root of 5 minus 2 over 1. And this is the same thing as the square root of 5 minus 2 times the square root of 5 plus 2 over 1 times the square root of 5 plus 2. Because in the end, these two cancel out, and we're just left with the square root of 5 minus 2. Now, if I have something in the form a minus b times a plus b, this is equal to a squared minus b squared. So I have the square root of 5 minus 2, which is equal to the square root of 5 squared minus 2 squared over the square root of 5 plus 2, which is equal to 5 minus 4 over the square root of 5 plus 2, which is equal to 1 over the square root of 5 plus 2. Now from here, we're going to look into the square root of 5 plus 2 to the power of x, because we know that the square root of 5 minus 2 is equal to 1 over the square root of 5 plus 2. So I have the square root of 5 plus 2 to the power of x plus 1 over the square root of 5 plus 2 to the power of x, which is again the value of the square root of 5 minus 2, is equal to 5. And this is the same thing as 1 over the square root of 5 plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 5, because 1 to the power of x is the same thing as 1. So we don't even need to worry about that. Now from here, I'm going to let the variable m equal to the square root of 5 plus 2 to the power of x. So this way I can substitute in for these two terms, and it's just going to make the equation a lot more simpler to solve. So if I substitute it in, I have m plus 1 over m is equal to 5. And look at how more simpler and less convoluted this equation is now. It seems a lot more easy. So to solve this, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to first start by subtracting 5 on both sides. So I have m plus 1 over m minus 5 is equal to 0. And now I'm going to multiply both sides with m. So I have m squared plus, these two cancel out, so just plus 1 minus 5m is equal to 0. And if I rearrange this, I get m squared minus 5m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, what we have here is a quadratic equation. And to solve this, I'm going to use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 5, and c is equal to 1. So I have m is equal to negative of negative 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1 all over 2 times 1. Now this is equal to positive 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 4 over 2, which is equal to 5 plus or minus the square root of 21 over 2. So I have two values of m now. I have m is equal to 5 plus the square root of 21 over 2, and m is equal to 5 minus the square root of 21 over 2. Now recall that m is equal to the square root of 5 plus 2 to the power of x. Meaning, I have the square root of 5 plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 5 plus the square root of 21 over 2, and also 5 minus the square root of 21 over 2. However, 5 minus the square root of 21 over 2 is less than 0, and you can't take the power of a positive number and make it equal negative. So there's no solution for this, and we're just going to solve this. So to solve this, I'm going to take the ln on both sides. So I get x times ln square root of 5 plus 2 is equal to ln of 5 plus the square root of 21 over 2, meaning that x is equal to ln of 5 plus the square root of 21 over 2 over ln of the square root of 5 plus 2. So this is my solution. And if you want to find the exact value, you can plug this into a calculator.